Yo, Agit, Agit, Morgen, Wednesday, 4/9. Hello and welcome. Welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy en ik maak video's. Mostly of Yiddish. Van me vangt de handige video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Wat helpt me in de channel ook tremendously. En dat je kent weer naar channel member. That goes a long way. See open the content. Schoon verder doen. Van me vangt de handige situation. Wil ik zoeken. Is absolutely positively nicht financial advice. Wegen dem steht du hinten. Wie steht das? Du. Not financial advice, so please be very careful. The market hat wegnehmen alles, was du hast. Alles, was du kannst borgen. Nicht achillig, wieso die heißt. So please, ich lerne nicht aus, wieso man trade. Copy trade nicht. Das ist nicht kein Trading School. Kick es wie ein Kind und Adult, wo spielt. Lego. Und du weißt nicht, was das ist. So yeah. So please, let's keep the investments, not financial advice situation. Everything is good? Good morning. How you doing? Live your favorite? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. Jim with a J. How you doing? How you doing? We're going into recession. Market's terrible. The oil in them are lucky. Weil in them schon ungegartelt anyways. If you know what I'm saying, I ain't playing. Ich bin echt aufgestanden und gesehen, mein ganzes Portfolio is in the dumpster. David Rutner. Good morning. Yeah, I'm being funny about it. In them are ungegartelt. Some of the Rebels bruches. Ich hoffe, man kann es lagen tief. Lehoches. Why do you start before 9? Wo sich die es keimel nicht geht? Von wo fangst du unfahr? Nein. Von wo gehst du noch? Nein. Von wo ist du um 10 Tages Fahrtum? Jetzt geht Jim sagen, ich habe nur gefragt. Ich habe mich nicht geregt. Just kidding. It's a little shake. Von wo, weil ich fange gut an sagen, noch bin ich busy mit der Setup und nachdem kommt es uns in 9:30 und ich bin schon busy. So I want to get that knocked out of the ballpark. You know what I'm saying? Du wird der Rutner, hab ich schon gesagt, good morning für dich. Ob nicht, hast du ja double special. Wow, good morning. Hello and welcome. Ich gehe für machen dann zu free. Mit Viggy. Ga du redden man Kaffee? Zimmerman. Gib mir ein bisschen Background. Sie sound wie ich, some reason, der Nummer rings a bell. Nächten 12 Seiger. Bei Nacht habe ich gesehen, wie einer gemacht hat Countdown. An the Tariffs. Joili Zimmerman. Lass mir das geben an Google. Verwus ringt es nur a Bell. Verwus weiß ich nicht, what the hell. What don't I know? Yankee T. Good morning, E. How you doing? How you doing? Wieso ist dann für die? Jim, komm mal an, Klurer. Wer der Joili Zimmerman? What am I missing? Jim, das ist der Anke, mein Klurer. Gib ein bisschen Background. Ba-da-ba-da-dam. Pres- President Trump's trade escalation, 50% additional tariffs on China's imports took effect. Wow. Bringing the total tariffs on China is 104%. Oh my God. Famous person constantly promoting, protesting in KJ and Willie. Oi wei. Was ist geschehen? Hat es nicht gemacht. Durch die ganze Nacht. Jetzt ist oben. Von dort kann man nicht handläufen. Nicht mit der Kopf, Wahn oder Bräufen. That's it. That's it. Once you're dead, you're dead. Once it's dark, kann man nicht reingehen in the park. Es ist over the games. Sie kann sein eine gute Sache oder a shame. But sie definitely du can blame. Wer hat eben immer seine Position? Viel wie der Oilem, viel wie der Market. Again, a feeling sie gut nicht wert. But don't worry, there's a lot of people out there. Okay. I was worried there for a moment. But then Yankee tiep me beruhigt that there is other people. Nice. Other people. Hat nicht in dort a Fiesel. The Kremlin. Yankee, man darf, es ist nicht leider. Man darf oben Menschen, was protesten. Otherwise, viele sind wrong, but the Sachen, wo sie sind right, sind sie ultimately right. Meaning to say is, who's gonna stand up for you if it's not for them? So wie back in the day, die Oile mir gewinn aufgeregt auf, wie sie heißt der? Jossel Waldmann, Samalai Waldmann. But jeder einer is happy as it is. He was in town, if you get what I'm saying. Jeder is happy. So man darf hoben die Menschen, was kommen raus and they do those stuff. If you know what I'm saying. Man darf hoben die Menschen. People that will stand up by times wie die kennst nicht. And nobody gets it right all the time. Trump will get us all poor. Well, if this is on goal, and it's gonna happen, then we're Gucci. If you get what I'm saying. But it's nicht so. Man simple cheshbon is so. Ist ein egotistic Mensch. Will, jeder soll kicken auf ihm und reden auf ihm. Nee, wieso kann machen, man soll ihm gedenken als the best president? Mittag sein, als the economy and the people will was soll gehen geht. Also, man soll ihm gedenken. So dit gut nicht auf, ob zersetzt the economy. People will not recognize him. You know what I mean? 8:54. Ready to hit in the floor. Sibach landish kan boor. Pedals food in the shore. We are losing it all. This is insane. We're losing it all, Jim. We're not losing it all. Chillax. Wenn die ganze Economy von der Welt geht darauf, geht Big Papa's Economy auch darauf. Keiner hat sich vorgestellt, die Geist herangehen in a trade war, and you're not going to have a little downfall. I mean, a little down. It's understandable. Nor whenever as a krach kommt, it never feels like, it never seems like it's the right time. So wenn ich mir sitzen bei a Havermanner, und hat das a Heater, in etwas geschehen mit der Heater, sucht mir, weißt du, geschehen eigentlich pink, wenn es kalt. Such ihm, ja, because pink, wenn es kalt, nützt der Heater. Zimmer nützt mir nicht dem Heater. So wie hoben zu mit der Air Condition in the dead of winter. It doesn't work that way. By the way, as a hobby should do, give us a foot with the like button. Give us a hit. It goes a long way. The crash still didn't start. Wait. Wie ich verstehe es, they looked at it mehr wie the economy is done. Ob man geht continuen on, geben de Geld und tun alle Sachen. So a kleine medication, a kleine surgery is due. You know what I mean? So no need to freak. No need to freak it out, if you know what I'm saying. Besides, Jim, die willst das auch kommen a crash? Is that what you're quietly wishing for? A kleine Krach, wo es jetzt an der Dach. Ich weiß nicht, wie der Dach ist. So tief, wird man sagen. But, listen, jede Mal der Economy geht darauf, kann man darauf gehen noch einmal. Können andere Menschen kaufen. Es ist ein Gitterphänomen. Sie kaufen. Sie trinken ein bisschen Bräufen. Mit sich neuten. Bitcoin, 76,000. The lower gewinnt 75. Nope. Ich meine, in der letzten Tag 2 red ich von. Like I said, 73 to 76. Es ist umgekommen 76. Yankee T. Jim, unless you are a millionaire, you didn't lose Schnasselberger. All you can take from the news. A senator was asked about the stock market. He answered that he cares for his people, not Wall Street. Yankee, man kann nicht echt so empfehlen, because du hast Sache Geld, finde Regel Eulam arangelegt in the market. Dann, wie ne Muschel, Tim Waltz, Tampon Tim, ist ich bin geworden Politik. Hat $400 million in Tesla, weil ist the chairman of investments in Minnesota. Ich meine, is in Minnesota. Hat $400 million für retirement funds in Tesla. Meaning, a Tesla geht darauf, verlieren seine constituents money. So, sind nicht so gut. Nur in Ochet, Yankee, wenn ein Millionär verliert Geld, his life doesn't go down. He fires the people around him. You know? Leben darf man ein bisschen werden mit Samtsam. So, als wird ein bisschen mit Samtsam, verlieren the low-end people money. It's a vicious cycle. Nicht, dass ich nehme von den Millionären, but zij haben Crocodiles treden. Crocodile treden. En nog het, maar het meer van, wieso rief man das? Wenn einer kijkt auf sein Portfolio, und sieht, dass es erop, und weet den ganzen Übergenommen davon, und die kannst dann fragen, hey, were you planning to sell anyways? The tenets would be no, then so why are you looking? Why are you getting all shooken up, if you know what I mean? Nana Zeiger. Fin Hand in Water mit seiner Zerleiger. Pa-ra-ra-pa-pa. Reb Shaya mit 16 Beigen. In nicht leigen. Nächten aber getroffen weißt du, wie sie mir rief das? A nurse. Ja, nurse ist ein bisschen zieh. Einer, was nimmt care für newborn babies. And dit is for a living. Ich habe ihn bemerkt, habe gesagt hello. And jetzt haben wir reminisced, weil ich bin aufgewachsen im Leben mit Kimperturenheim. Und sie zurückgegangen und sagen, I remember when I took care of you. And that was a little cute. Viggy, where are you for the cider? No idea, really. No idea. Can I noch guide see a family member? Buenos dias, JB. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Long time no see. Was geht for? Are you overseas? Bist die overseas? Zogens, please. Take along Zoe. New. Zoe Blampenheim. Yossi, braver. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? Been busy. Nice. Almost in the airport. Good for you. Good for you. Nice. Lass uns mal wissen, wie lucky du bist. Economy auf, economy auf. Sitzt mir in am airport. Und kann plug. Yossi, how was your day? How was your morning? Rabadibadum. Jim, ich nehm mich echt die Stress oder Danges. It's not something where I go crazy about. Ich do erscheinen, des kennt noch leider begann du zu an neighbor der zweite Tag. Der erste Tag is as of now a family side ish. In der zweite Nacht du mein neighbor. Obergeil. Jay, why didn't you take with Viggy? Good. James Rodriguez 69. Good morning. What's playing in the background? I don't know. Some good old music. Some good old music. Jean-Con. Willst the link davor? I'll give you the link. Don't blink. I'll give you the link. Hold on. Wait a minute. There you go. There you go. Actually doing crazy budget-friendly trip this time. I didn't think I ever spent that little on 2 full weeks. Good for you. JB, like that I go? No. He knows my number. I'm a phone call away. Thank you, JB. Ich bin homebound because ich dog sit. So I gotta be home. Ich dog sit for Yom Tov. I imagine Viggy sitting by side there till 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Believe it. Till the sun rises. Come on. How else will ich zurück eine Geiden und sagen, man sei da zurück endlich drehen? You crazy. 4:55 in the free. Haben wir nicht gekannt geben, Marie. Viggy says Toida Badaguda. Not only do I say Toida, Jim, I stand on a chair. I make sure that everybody is clear. Can I get my hair? Viggy dropping those bars. Für das sagen, so darf kommen naturally, bro. Man kann es nicht beten. You know what I'm saying? Man wird es nicht reden. So yeah. Jim, ich bin sehr ein traditional Mensch. Ah, good point. Could the passenger JB? Could the passenger JB please stand up? I hope you have a great and awesome flight, sir, JB. JH says JB. I know the secrets, Jim. Jim, I know the secrets. Pa-da-pa-pa-pow. Pam-pira-pa-da-pam-pam-pira-pa-pam. 906. Mit nicht angeschickt. Mit sich nicht jugen at all. Ich stehe du ja nach, wer sieht mir. JB, we got good news. Bist nicht kanar. Die steist in die Warz, but bist nicht kanar. Viggy, remember, no full Krishma after the cider. Of course not, Jim. Thank you for reminding me, though. We need, you know, we all need that kind of friend. You know. Was hat der Mann an der wichtige Sachen, Jim? Wusst sie vergessen. Ich wusste nicht zu essen. Pam, para, para, pam, pam. 907. Wow, das sei richtig stark. Feels like I'm going to heaven. In a slow pace. In a different face. Da di da 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 da. Mal sehen, was ist Neues. Mit trugen a zweiten Sachrayes. The Russians and the Amerikaner gehen meeten in Istanbul, April 10. Manana. Sie sehen, wo sich wegen der War between Ukraine and Russia. In Mother, sie Russia. JH. Oh, ich habe nicht gekannt, JB. What are you doing? Have you coin mijn geld? Appreciate it, my man. Oh, wow. W's in the chat, my man. Jetzt bei Emmas will ich das tun, Magita Reise. En dan wees ik wel vaarden, maar jetzt komt es heraus mehr. Jetzt hat der Oilem sagen, also ich bin bias. Geht mich schon. Mit fliehenden Fuhn. Kann sehen, als ich mich geworden excited. JH, warum ich suche JB? I went back to the regular schedule programming. I was like, what's happening? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. But I weggered him the ganze train of thought. Went back to factory reset. Yes, agreed. Does Zoe eat hummus and Pesach? Jim. How could you even think so? Wieso kannst du da vielleicht an dem Rot? Beter. Weißt du nicht? Ich sag mal, wenn einer fragt der Kasche, macht mir das a dumb question. Verstehe ich, sag mal, was macht mir das? Aber sag mal, wenn man fragt der Kasche, it gives it away. Mehr von der Questionnaire, guy. Finden wir das einfach. You get what I'm saying? Ideas. Ich denke mal, years ago, vorangewacht, einer fragt mir, das schon gehört auf Dula? Du, was? Die sehst nicht, als ich esse. What I mean? Question is this. What type of question is this? Bam, 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 bam. Do you give him a comment? It's a her. Zoe is a her. Of course, get me in nicht da kommen. Hello. Man lässt das über von der Golden Retriever. Das ist, was Retrievers do. They retrieve. Nächten in the Dominican Republic, a nightclub had collapsed. It has killed over 98 people. So they geharget the governor plus 2 former MLB players in 155 survivors. Oh my God, bro. A ganze nightclub. Have you kommen present? Mit sehen, wo Zoe will. Ich mein. You know what I mean? And by the way, Jim, de Weg, wieso die fragst das, kann man sehen, als du bist nicht Kassatmere. Meaning to say, du bist da Lubavitcher, as much as I understand. Because Lubavitch gampelt man nicht dafür kommen. In Satmar gampelt man dafür kommen. In Dominican Republic, a tragic roof collapse at a nightclub, a set nightclub in Santo Domingo during a concert early Thursday, April 8th, killed at least 98 people, including a governor and 2 former MLB players. That's some crazy stuffles, I tell you. Shia Friedman. Guten Sie Morgen. Ich gehe auf einen ran checken. Why was he there? Nightclub. I don't know. Kann ich bekommen dem E-Mail? Ich such da noch. It's just crazy that the ganze Sache ist Boomski. The US IRS chief resigns. The acting head of the Internal Revenue Services announces his resignation on April 8th. Adios, my man. Time to go. You think the market bottom? Du weißt, wenn man sucht Sam. Guten Morgen. Good morning. How you doing? Guten, wenn man sucht, der market hat gedumpt, hat gebottomt. Oh. Halt man oder ist bei der ersten pure stock. And we're waiting for the bottom. Crazy stuff. 9:13. Jim sucht no. Sam sucht yes. I mean, nach die gewähnt the 105 tariffs gegen China. So, we will see. We'll see what happens. Kezan se zan a riesigen Dompel. Gaat ma krampel. Para para pa pa pa. Laat me zijn, zie deze geween de bottom. So kijk tot wie ze wil een beetje rough rally in hand. As it, you know. There's no significance behind all of this. For the market to dip more. Ooh. Jim zoekt, wait for it. Jim is not playing around, I tell you. He is today Jim with a J. Futures down. Man, oh man. Listen. Brooklyn. Good morning. Everything is good by you? Should be. What don't I know? Was weiß ich nicht. Lass mich wissen, was ich weiß nicht. Ich will es drehen, City. How are you, Brooklyn? How is everything by you? Just asking. Nice. For a second, I gemeint einer steht behind me. And it was wie, are you all good today? Oh, yes, sir. Maybe it will not slingshot so fast. To know all-time high, but 5% down, and this is over. Sam, we're getting poorer with Trump. So I don't know, Jim. I don't know if I agree. Avi, Vogel, Boker or Guten Sie Morgen. I'm saying 5% down days is over. Sam sucht, es kann uns noch ein bisschen ruhig, but the größte drops, the größte shock sucht Sam sucht das over, and Jim sucht, we will see. Markets make a comeback. Isn't that the whole idea of markets? Isn't that idea of free trade? You know what I mean? I think that's the whole idea. Depends on China. China hat a stärkere, I would say, hold of the people. But again, America is pretty resilient, I tell you. So, ich will es überladen für die Amerikaner. Machloikes Aposkem. So, ich kann Machloikes Aposkem reden. I don't know. Maybe it is. When will mortgage rate come down? The problem with mortgage rates kommen up, and the hazard gehen up mit Preis. You get what I'm saying? Again, ich bin nicht kein Mortgage Broker, but was ich kann verstehen ist, ich will gekauft a Haus mit higher interest, F-shit, weil Interest kann noch herumgehen, der Preis von der Haus geht noch heraufgehen. Maybe Brussels market. All the local Hamiltons and Cellar and toy stores are toast. Ooh, yes. They are toast, I agree. Alle Menschen was bringen es heran. Gotta refinance. But refinance darf man doch auch aufkommen mit Geld, mit Closing Fees und die ganze Sache. So, es ist nicht so wie refinance und ich kann free Apple von Bäumen. Rates are rising terribly. Jim. Cloudy today. 9:18. Het hoeft maar een beetje creatine. What? Yes. What do you know about that, sir? Listen, jeder eine tried. Jeder eine probiert. Die Menschen, die haben gemacht, sei das auch Geld for a very long time. It's time to step down. Let the other people come in and take the money. You know what I'm saying? Ik voer meer te zeggen, ruhig gebied. Yes, J&H was wild. JB was wild. Het rausgenommen de lift. Vind de longs, I tell you. Het rausgenommen de lift, vind de longs. Wohnt in de Brooklyn en nicht in de Bronx. Ja, ze graamt. Let's see what happens today. Exactly. We're sitting on the sidelines and it's watch me the market. Wenn der Channel sich öffnet und hat man sehen a drop. Oder hat man sehen, wenn der Channel sich öffnet und hat man sehen a deep. Oder der Channel sich öffnet und hat man sehen a rauf. Who knows? Bei der Dip, y'all. Man darf aber gallen, sie können kaufen dem Dip. You know what I mean? Ich habe gesehen an Meme, wie einer sagt, bei der Dip. Gekauft der Dip. 2 Tage später, bei noch der Dip. Sagt mit was? Mit der previous Dip. Man darf hoben, sag mal. Das ist, wenn die Menschen so mal weggelegt Geld. Cash kann ich jetzt kaufen. Opportunity of a lifetime, aber man darf doch Geld. Stam kicken, nicht kaufen, ist Stam Geld. The White House froze 1.8 billion. Phew, lass mich das sagen noch einmal. The White House froze 1.8 billion in fundings for Cornell and Northern University on April 8th. Wegen civil rights. America's brand like Rubbermaid and Howell will flourish. People got used to easy money past 30 years. I hope B&H photo doesn't go under. So it kind of looks like Brooklyn that you do want it to go under. I'm joking. Stating a bit. Reaching out. Warren Buffett made like 12 billion. Meanwhile, all the other billionaires lost their pants. All right. I'm glad for Warren Buffett. I can't get that. Essens aan burgers. In Countens aan Geld. Brooklyn. Wie bekommen aber die alle andere companies minerals in Sachen? So alles geht darauf gehen mit Preis. Because Rubbermaid bringt daran most probably von andere countries the rubber, the glue, all that thing. Alles? No. Einer hat mir mal gesagt, er arbeitet an einer Furniture Company. Da pflegen es bringen von China, parken in Italy for a legal time. I don't know how long that is. Ihm hat darauf gedreht the knobs, ihm hat darauf gelegt made in Italy. EU is announcing new tariffs. Everything is made in the US. Then, let's see what happens. Brooklyn, then, darf man investen in the companies, Rubbermaid. It's a Rubbermaid. Ich bin lang nicht spät. Jamie Dimon says we are going into recession. Terrace, more geeks for Viggy. I don't know. No, I don't think so. Sam, bei mir will ich the economy so gehen geht, otherwise gigs kommt daran usually, wenn sie do mehr, mehr Geld. Immer kann werfen. You got it wrong. All right. Listen, somebody has it right, somebody has it wrong. We'll see in a few. Say no problem. La 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 la. Da la la la. The market may go up sideways for now, but not more down, because if you zoom out, you will see the big picture. Isn't that right in all life? Watch your money if you have some. Du gegangen als Stock fin $6. Holy Mother of God. Du gegangen als Stock. Was hat gehit hand high für $8. Sie umgekommen zu 40 Cent. I have sourdough monies. Ooh, Sam, dan geld get in his boogwai, huh? Good one. 923. Nothing in life is free. I feel keine Tipp mit abri. Mother of God. What's that? I don't know. That's the whole idea. That's why you say it. Mother of God. You don't know. Okay, cool. FMTO. Gegangen von literally $4 zu 40 Cent. Beep boop. In 2 minutes. At least they have 40 cents left. Brooklyn. Han is gissa die hast. As I get a sense of humor. Brooklyn, it's coming out. You're flourishing. It's a guy to the ground. This is Honig. I'm joking. But han is gewiss. CG, the Sache ist mit mir, ob ich wäre conscious about the grammar, is it a no-go. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna Brooklyn, it's blood, huh? Da oilem kimt... Bro, kijk on hem drappel. This auch it. Gee. Hier ga je Hanstein in de waard. I ain't going in. For Schnitzelburger. No jokes here. Alright. Jim. I get what you're saying. But nicht vergessen, also in der Recession, in der Great Depression, in noch gewähnt Menschen sind geworden Millionären. So, meine ich, weil alles ist umgesetzt, bis die Automatik umgesetzt. Okay? Everybody's selling your pants and you buy Apple stock now. It's opportunity for a lifetime. I don't know, because Apple got auch wieder ein Hit. Supposedly, man hat gesagt, dass Apple hat herangebringt 5 cargo planes, ungefüllt mit iPhones, der neue. 5 cargo planes to the brim, the max, wie viel man kann heranbringen. Gee. Why Apple stock, sagt er. Fragt. Nicht vergessen, als Viggy get nicht kein financial advice. So please be very careful. Oi bei mistake etwas, ich suche einmal Koi von der etwas. Läuft. Es ist ein mistake. I shouldn't be saying those things. Okay? Kijk wie ich weiß nicht, was ich die. Alright? There you go. A fair warning. Okay? Please. Ich will nicht hören, du. Hast gesagt. Bro, das hat sie 25 cents. Ich habe gesehen als Sessel. Oh my God. Hast du das a perfect opportunity zu kaufen? Bro. Hold on a second. Let's all be set and done. Let's all have some fun. Okay? No pun intended. Intended upon. I think Google is cheap, as you said. 9:27. Then we're close. Sie gehen zu heaven. We need to behave. Mit Arangan in a cave. Mit Roskim and Shimon Bar Yehui. Hey. Because Apple stock was really strong. Stock by all markets, dips and buys such. But alles geht. Real strong technical analytics. Apple will always make money. Okay, dat mag gemein bij andere companies ook het. I'm not confirming or denying because I don't know what I'm saying. They're reducing their phone in India, not in China. They're producing... You sure about that? I think Google is cheaper. As far as I know, they're producing in China. I have the same understanding. I think I have the same understanding. Google is ook het agit erbij. Me kennis geven dort dat rij. 2 minutes. 2 minutes in market open. Apple is sitting like on 200 billion. Mine 300 billion. Nicht there to correct, just see me. Do it. Good morning. Come on. Bring ich op de mats of do, okay? Let's keep it a happy family zoo. Okay? Let's go. That's okay. It's okay. A kleine correction. So pity January 6th insurrection. Zeg gewoon niet. When I got married, I had $20,000. I bought an Apple stock at the time for $3. I went down to $1.15. My wife panicked, so we sold it. And I have kept it. I would have had $1 million today. Brooklyn, we maken een joke. If you wouldn't have listened to your wife. Huh? Huh? Das hat PPD gesucht nächten. Don't follow the market. Meaning to say, don't sell. Panic sell. Es ist eigentlich zu sagen, Gamsile Teufel, wenn du hast 18 Millionen Gamsile Teufels ist. Okay, market is open. The market is open. The music, lass dich aus. Man wartet, der ganze Haus soll du zusammenfallen, ne? Man soll ein Team befallen. Geben den Strahl. Mit dem Team Kohl. Down, down, down. Jim is mit der Frau. Let's not worry about it, Jim. No, but I get it. Ein bisschen ungezogen in der Marke. $53 billion. We took money and put it down for a down payment for a house that turned into a good investment. Nice. Good for you, my man. Good for you. Sag mal, du, sometimes things are more important than money. Ich kann nicht nehmen ein paar Sachen, aber I'm sure. That's net cash. Oh, okay. Jim is shorting. They have 126 billion in cash. Hey, that will create some big rash, I tell you. Viel wie ich will just staan in Droos in de hand. Or puts. He's putting where his money, where his mouth is. Zij kennen Sediko van zijn stock, Sam, no? Isn't that the sort of the breaking point-ish? The idea? We are ending today in red. Nope, we finished green. Sam. Ik feel wie ze gaat just aan a disagreement though. But tariffs can really affect them. Yes, it can. Wir nehmen uns herangeflogen, 5 cargo planes. Ungefüllt mit PIO is suspended. Yeah, they recently did a buyback. Ah, guck mal, so 300 billion. I guess I'm getting a buyback mit dem Geld? I don't know. Halt nicht mit der Intricacy. Jim, Sam is nicht the enemy. I'm just saying. Sam is bechlal nicht the enemy. Okay. China put tariffs on Hollywood movies. Good. The buyback was 110 billion. Oh wow. Apple is green. Apple is green. Farm produce like soy tofu will ever expensive in China now since they import a lot of farm products from the US. Apple 3% now. Sam, die wirst am undrehen, sehe ich. Huh? Almost everything is green in my portfolio. Fang und tanzen, Brüder. Fang und tanzen. Tanz mit der Gesang. Hold the line, my man. Hold the line. This is holding the line. Es ist nicht zu verkaufen. Oh, sind wir gewinnt? We were ready to dance, bro. We were ready to dance. We gotta take the small wins, Yossi. We gotta take the small wins. No, I work for Viggy. Ich hab nicht gewusst, dass ich hab Employees. Ich hab nicht gewusst, dass ich bin also employed. ICCT. Auf Papas du am Move. Learn when du mit der Groove. What happened mit mir a schmooze? I'm investing for long term. Nice, good for you. Good for you. Since I get a view. Lishunu Abu. Fed Zangi. Mitspielen mit der Trompeter Tutu. I have 70 calls. Like expecting in 3 weeks. If you're happy, it's going to come back. Shock when it's going back down. Rather stay neutral. Yankee is wenig invested in the situation. Just be happy overall. All right. We could work with that. I think we can work with that. Chica, waka, chicken, waka, chicken, waka, chaka, wow. Ooh, a little scratching. Guy backing. Says horseback riding, sir. That's won a lot of money, hope. Nice. Bada 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 bada. Bada bida bam bam bam. Ra-pa-pa, piri-piri-piri-piri-piri-piri. Para-para-para-pa-pa. Shiragi's turn. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba ba ba. Agitten a chusche wird versammelte. Nice. Ich gehe auf einen Sahn so kalt. Jede zusammen sagen. Weiß ich nicht. Okay. Gas is under $60 a barrel, so that's good. When translate as Zimankar. Barrels gaan erop en eraf. But then fühlt man es in the gas station. The gas was slightly up in my area the last few weeks. I guess y'all see so het hier met dan gas stations daar. En dan hebben we de rabben van naar geld. I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh ja. Kannst nicht joken, das ist nicht groovy. Ich habe es gesehen vorige Woche in einem Movie. Pa-pa-da-pi-da-pow. Ri-pi-pi-ri-pi-ri-pi-pi-ri-pi. Pa-da-pa-pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Di-la-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hab gedacht, wenn wir es in Trachten. Hat es gedacht, nehmen in Betracht. Sein die Frieden, sein bei Nacht. What Pesach vibes with Iran and matzah bills? Bring Papa back. Where he been? I don't know. Wie is het geweest? Cheap gas helps with bring down inflation. I guess the inflationary machine of gas, huh? Morgen Abend gappen den Pap. Middags geben dort a klap. Hiding with Vierveld. Sorting out Antwerp's kosher outlets. Supporting the Eden. Nice. Maybe gets to support a breeder. A breeder in a Brider in Neut. Viele Chaneke kaufen der Kneut. Und noch Peisach kaufen der Bräut. Down, 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 down. Moishi_UK. Good morning. Time to buy gold. Time to buy gold. Finish gold like 3,000. $2,900, maybe. That is the price. Candelisa rice. Rabadibadice, it's on a größe dice. Mit Essen a Sachmais. Was heißt? Sind wir ready for the bounce? What do you think about kosher outlet stores bringing down prices? I'd also help from andere Eden. Always nice. Eat mice. Jim. Dacht me nog doorgegaan naar grocery. En dan hebben we man was arbeiten. We got to talking. En hij zoekt me de geest wat er zegt. Jetzt eerder Pesach in jene grocery. So dat discount grocery mensen geven geld voor andere families. Crazy. Crazy, crazy stuff. Ich muss highlighten die Gitter-Sachen. Ich weiß, ich highlight du dort in der Situation. But not only Avi, green depends in the eyes. Am draait herin the screen. Kann sag mal sag, was kijkt aus, geht erop. Geht actually erop. Avi, do people help out in Belgium? Good question. I'll be back in a minute. All right. In Zemetzerik. Para para papa. Piri piri pipi. Piri pipi 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 pipi. Avi Edfert. Avada helft man eros. Right. Beauty is in the eyes of the observer. Agreed. The Fairfield Bal Chesed. The Fairfield huge Bal Chesed. Nice. But I've highlighted the Chesed as well. To the extent of New York? Nah, New York has more people, I would say. More dire people, you know what I mean? Ieder zal iedereen in de klas, de Rebbe Zaros. Sam, is that your attitude? Huh? Is that your way of communicating? Huh? Ba ba la 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 la. The Dow is up. 240, no, 170. Cool. All right. The Rebbe from Shipkovs is going to Israel. He is speaking in the Big Bells of Shield. Nice. He's having a ball. He's gonna give a crawl. Ra pa 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 pa. Nicht nur Bilder, wird auch viele wilder. I guess Sally's busy in the kitchen. She damn busy in the kitchen. She busy. She making us all dizzy. Mit a bissel frizzy. Toby as well. Yeah, Toby also. Toby's busy Tobalink. Ze gaan get the music in the free. Oeh, is kalt. By the way, de laatste poetege gewoon gerig winter. I'm like, what's happening? Why is it winter? Why are you doing this to us? We need some nice weather, bro. La 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 la. Thanks God. Good morning. Ich gehe fahren around checken. How you doing? Thanks God. Wie checkst du hier an? Kim du aran klo. Mistamme hab ich das schon gefragt, but ich vergess. Lass mal sehen, du. Es tut an irgendwas heißt Gur nicht. Bei Ich bin es. YouTube-Channel. 10 Schuhe zurück. Das heißt Gur nicht. 2 Minuten. Ich bin Gur nicht. Ich bin leider.
So viel gelernt, so viel studiert, jetzt weiß ich schon. So viel spaziert, also...
Oh, okay. Also viel studieren und weiß gar nicht. Okay. Aber das noch einmal. Hallo, der Piano. Sei leidige du.
So viel gelernt, so viel studiert, jetzt weiß ich schon. So viel spaziert, so viel gesiegt, ich weiß noch alles. Wie mehr ich frag mich an, als ich weiß, wer ich mehr gewohnt, als ich weiß. Wie mehr mein Ego fühlt auf, dort wer ich auch gewohnt, als ich bin. Ich weiß nicht gut, Mama ist gut, weiß nicht.
Sehr artistisch. Mom is gut nicht. Gut nicht.
So.
Interesting. Interesting song. Not gonna lie. Man style? I don't know. I really don't know. Nein, Digga, lass mal zurück an ein bisschen durchziehen. Wie heißt Damien Music, du? By the way, den Nigen, wenn die schanst, den Nigen heißt Shannon, Basruli Green und Isaac Glick. Ich hab's ausgehört a couple of times. Rock solid. The lyrics. Es redt sie jedem.
Wenn die schatzt,
weiß ich nicht. Ja, die bist ausgelassen.
Wenn ich schau,
Meint es nicht. Die bist ausgelassen.
wenn die schaut.
Man darf das gedenken. Weil die Chance meint nicht, a zweiter schant nicht. Und weil a zweiter schant nicht, oder schant, meint nicht, a die schanst nicht. Ich meine, das ist a self-lesson von mir. Just gotta remember that.
Meint es nicht.
Yo! Ich bin ausgelassen.
Wenn ich schau,
Wenn ich schon,
meint es nicht.
ich bin ausgelassen.
Wenn ich seh die Schame,
Rapapa,
tut es mir der
Mannen,
als wenn uns beide
schauen wir zusammen,
tut es noch
stärker
stärker.
Flammen.
Wenn ich seh die
Schauen,
tut es mir der
Mannen,
als wenn uns beide
schauen wir zusammen,
tut es
noch
noch stärker.
stärker Flammen.
Wenn die Schau,
Wenn die Schand meint es nicht, an die bin ausgelassen. Wenn die Schand meint es nicht, an die bin ausgelassen.
wenn ich seh die
Schand,
tut es mir der Mann. Aber ins
beide Schammer zusammen,
tut es
noch
noch
stärker Flammen.
wenn ich seh die
Schand,
tut es mir
mit
der
dem Mannen, beide Schammer zusammen,
tut es noch stärker.
Flammen. Ba-da-da-bam. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. Di-di-di-di-di-di-di-di. Di-da-da-da-di-da-da-da-la. Da-da-da-da.
Kick hem on, geht dat tun. Me ken schon meine, was hat tun.
Baron. Hello
Hello
and welcome.
Ich mit sein Leben getun. Reiz mich on. Reiz davon, wenn man an Nerven platzen wie ein Ballon. Greifen du, was dreist dich du? Kim zurück, wenn die bist mehr cool. Es ist interessant zu sehen, wieso die riefst an Frant. Interessant? Bis wie angespannt zu treffen, noch als immer verwusst.
Die hast den Fan?
Weil er schande gedemos.
Baron. Koin kennst du fragen an Tato. Aber ich meine, das ist, wow. Ich meine, ich gar nicht. Aber du zurückgehen immer Numbers, du findest ein Jahr. Stärker Flamme. Wieder Mann. The next drop is 350 of the QQQ. I don't know. Nicht vergessen, als wenn ein Cover schant, doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. Penny G. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Für mich, es gibt uns, der Market reizt sich zu halten. Again, nicht professional opinion. Ich habe gesehen, a few stocks arup kimmen, like, wie Wasser, wie in Niagara Falls. How you doing, Penny? Penny, how you doing this morning? Betting on in. We'll give a phone in. All right. Penny G. What a surprise. Hey, Sally. Whoa. Hello and welcome. Gaan we dat again vanaf. Penny. Penny. We appreciate you. In Sally ist sie geworden ein Member. In Hershey Danziger ist sie geworden ein Member. Duvet Rutner, in Cheskel, in Chilugunot. Chilugunot sieht man ja du dort. Der andere hat man nicht gesehen. Wer ist der Cheskel? Wer ist der Duvet Rutner? Man darf auch ganz in der Gurtener. Sehen, wo sich dort ein Schüss. Para para pa 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 para pa pa para. Penny, ich habe actually a rote Tag gehabt. Wacht, bin ich gewinnt nicht quick heran in Aros. Ich habe gekauft, du bei 1329. Kann mir kaufen ein Haus. Also wie Brooklyn, hat gesagt. Und bei 1429, aber sie gingen ziemlich schnell, und ich kann es auch nicht draußen. When are we doing next good review on podcast? Next number is getting the push at Pshat. And it was nice, it was good. I liked it. Family B. Good morning and hello and welcome. Schein dir zu sehen, du in der Früh. Es nicht schappen, du abri. Es nur süß. So Jamie, I don't know. Ich würde sagen, die ganze Heat, ich meine auf darf es reviewen. I'm thinking of reviewing it over Pesach and releasing it either Chalamoid or after Pesach as a standalone video, nicht live. Wir sehen, wieso es geht. Yes. Penny, all thanks to you. Thank you so much. Sally's gonna be excited. Sally's gonna jump on and be like, oh my God. Ich bin jetzt ein Member. Can't wait. Oh, nice. Ich mein, okay, ich wollte sagen ein bisschen, wie heißt das? Agita Superchat. Kann es machen quicker? Yes, Chevre, ich hab Preis. Wow, big time kim ich de Pischa. That's right. Rabadibidim tip pa pa pa. But I don't know, we'll see how we'll do it. Lara. You know, ich bin nicht, ich kann nicht lieb die Idee von just machen eine Review und rausgeben. At the beginning, wenn ich machen Videos für Reviews, für Music Reviews, aber ich bemerkt, I can do 10 at a day, 10 reviews at a day, because then it's just like, I just want to get it over with, und ich bin nicht echt dort. So I gotta find the right moment wenn ich bin dort. Viggy, when are you dropping that duet song? Welche? Lies? Ich darf es recorden auf einem regular Studio. Ich habe nicht, was heißt Lies. Es ist ein ganzer guter Song. So. Are you going with Brooklyn in the end? Er hat nicht herausgeriecht. Brooklyn hat nicht herausgeriecht. Er hat nicht ausgekickt, wie he wants to. So. Told you. Good morning, told you. I won't be jealous if you guys copycat me. Penny. I get harziger in a humbled guy. I like. Drop it, people will be pumped. Okay, what's wrong? But also, I want to stay true to my Weg, wie soll ich analyze. You know what I mean? In Stamma, sie mach a video for the sake of mach a video. Not my style, so. But jetzt kommt Pesach, so I'll have time, and we'll make it. Pa 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 pira pa 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 la 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 la. Do it for us. Family, you got it. I will do it for you guys. I sure will. Alright, laat me gaan geven maar stretch. Oh, dat stretch. can't see the live chat on your screen. What do you mean? McKenna Jane. 32 in the city. Wow, will ich mich viel nicht vorstellen. Wie kalt du ist. Oh my god. Lass mal kennen in the comments. Man sucht da McKenna Jane in the comments. Patch, thank you. Oh, now it is. Now we're back on. In Zimmer Tzedek. Nature stretch. No, just a regular stretch. Phew. Ich sitze schon for a while, you know. Now it's good. I appreciate it. In Ochet Pesach will ich mich besser aufsetzen. I'm not complaining. I have to get better internet also. This had man alles kennen and hopefully by Pesach. I saw the podcast all-in-one interviewing Howard Lotkin, commercial secretary, explains Strums as a person and Charis will explain. What do you think interested for the oil? I mean, we can unheiben. We can start it. And we can say, wieso ist a field? You know what I mean? Gib us an email, lass mal sehen. Wie geht mich allemal? Nowhere really. Nowhere. I'm gonna stay home. I'm gonna be tripping at home. We're gonna be tripping at home. Kezaner. Was ich darf dienen über Pesach ist. Ich darf übergehen alle meine hiking gear. I gotta make ready my hiking gear. Because I want to go over overnight hikes dem Zimmer. So, darf zusammen alle Mann gehen. Das ist eine Sache, was ich darf dienen bei Pesach. Die andere Sache ist, ich will aufsetzen mein Desk. Ein bisschen mehr bequemer. Wie ich bin jetzt, und nicht echt so, ai. Penny, by the way, du kannst ewig email. You know what I mean? There's no need to worry about it. Mach a live b'shas the hikes. I don't know if I could make a live of the hike, because wie interessant ist es, zu sehen, ein Mensch schleppt eine riesige Bag and just walked. But I intend to make a nice video of it. Ich darf auch machen ein Video. Für ein Jahr oder 2 years ago bin ich gegangen für a 3-day hike. And for some reason I didn't end up making a video of it. But I'm definitely going to try to make a video of it. En ook het wil ik verschaffen bessere internet. Mach a live b'shas die hikes. No, mechanisch. Maar es ist ein bisschen schwer zu machen, a live in my hike. Het is dan zeer interessant live in a hike. Welke part? Maar gewoon, if I have service and phone, I mean, it could definitely be a good idea. Get yourself some Starlink. Ga gekikt of Starlink. Mucho expensive. The machine plus movable tire. Ja, Starlink, ga verstaan. Auch had the problem mit Starlink spellen. So get mir the G, nicht the K.
Which is the map of it.
Oh, happens to be ich hab ausgehört the podcast. Sam. Nicht Sam. Penny. It's schon 44 minutes lang. Kennst du mal das Review morgen? Nein. Man darf noch mal reingehen in Pesach. Morgen ist Donnerstag. Gotta start getting ready. Even John and Betty. Aber ich hab es gewatscht, Penny. Weil ich sehe, ich hab es ungezint, es hat sich ungezint in der Mitte. Und ich denke, es watschen. Because I didn't know who he was. Ich habe sehr stark genug an der Weg, wie sie redet. It's only for people that live off the grid. No, ich weiß Menschen, die wohnen off the grid und sie haben Starlink. In Monero, you don't need Starlink. It's connected to the Kadisha, huh? Bissl connection. Ram, bam, bidi, bidi, bim, bim, bim. So, Sekenzam will do that. Mit sehen, wie soll es geht. So, das ist, was wir gehen hier über Pesach. Oh, dann macht er rausreach und see. Let's do that. Lass mal kurz nach rausreach und see Matas. Lass mal sehen, was will. They have one Elon Scott Bridges, but Ludican speaks in plain English. Ich habe nur gehabt von Jena, was ich gewaschen. I sponsor you ribeye steak by the Nougat Ziva restaurant. All right, Sam? Consider that the offer taken? Call him jetzt auf live. I'm not gonna put him on live. I'm not gonna endanger him, you know what I mean? Nicht alles darf aufgehen online. Ich habe gewollt machen, man soll keinen herankommen in the show. No, I know, tell him. Sind nicht du, was sie machen, der Chemisch auf live? No, I don't know. Ich will ihn fragen. I'm gonna ask him. Maybe one day we'll do the Chimish on live. Meaning to say he'll call in to the phone. Okay. Aber those get each a fish. Lass mal sehen, sie mit keiner Guben, du, a scheine Tisch. Okay, lass mir sehen. Okay, lass mir sehen. Ist kein Geld in unser Haus, Pischkas? Weißt du, soll man kennen herankommen? Wouldn't that be nice? Yes. That would be nice. Weiß nicht, von wo es lagt mich heraus. Ba, 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 ba. What do you use Weeble for? Weeble is the Platz wie ze do the money. Avrumi, hello and welcome. Scheintisch wie Heritage. No, Heritage kann herkommen mit dem Tisch. Heritage kann es liegen schein. Oh, einer kann Heritage. Es ist ein Heritage do sponsoren, advertisen. Yes, come up with new ideas after Pesach. All right. This channel needs a new fresh kick. Sam, there gave me a kick, yes? That will be the fresh. That will be the fresh for you. Okay? The kick will come from me. The fresh will be the other side. Sam, I'm joking. I just don't have a response. Sag mal, wenn man kommt mit gute Ideas, darf man kommen mit actually ideas. You know what I'm saying? Stam zogen, umplogen, you know? Geba macha zoi, geba tia her. Piece of cake. That's right. Zimmer gehad a cake a piece. Zimmer huben du a beautiful schmies. In zimmer gein zu fies. Zummer nicht kann rent oder kann lies. In zimmer saan fliegen, nicht bees. Come up in the beeswax. Do you ever think that I want to spend money on any of the new areas? Do you ever think that I want to spend? I don't think. That's your money. You do what you gotta do with your money. Leave me your money out of me. Make a video of how to make gefilte fish. Ooh. The cooking videos had genommen a stickel back seat because the kitchen is nicht echt accessible for camera. So, as of now, eventually, yeah. Hit the like button so Viggy doesn't have to remind us. Penny, thank you for being so kind. I really do appreciate you. It's the small things in life. Penny Jean, nicht, dass ich sogar die bist klein. I'm just saying. Sag mal, meint man darf donaten riesige buildings? Van moois dass sie machen a difference. No. Sag mal, darf man just bezahlen die größere jenem in der Front finden. That's it. Größere Mitzvah und größere Teufe. Für jedem einem involved. Your best video ever was by 18 for Shay. Ich habe actually a video von 18 for Shay, wie ich Retzi Menschen. Ich habe es noch nicht released. Guys releasing like in way down the road. And funny enough, der Ingemann, wem ich habe Retzi mit whatever, eigentlich habt a picture and it is released 2 Jahre später, so he's gonna have the same story again. In Ochet, ich darf zurückgehen zu 18 for Shay. Nog wenn der Wetter ein bisschen warm zu tun, you know? So you're stacking up with ladyfingers? By the way, ich denke, wenn sie Hand heißt es babyfingers. Ich denke, growing up, the cookies are getting much better. So actually, when get the cookies, and Hand ist es... Penny G fragt, 18 for Shay. 18 for Shay ist ein Schiel, wo es... Shomer Shabbos, na größere von nem in Muncie. Alle meine Menschen, alle meine walks of life kommen dahin. Ungeheuben von geendigt bis sie. Viele the numerical ones. And ich gehe dort nach Sachmul, as you can see. And ich habe pictures to mention. So it's kind of fun. So we'll see once the wetter wird ein bisschen warm. Actually going live in dort. That would be amazing. Offset not live. Yeah, but she makes the best ones. No, Yankee T, nicht Sally's. Okay? What is this? YG. Hello and welcome. How you doing? How you doing? Schön, dir zu sehen, du. What you been doing? Yom Revi Simcha. Was hand to Yom Revi? There you go. Hold on. Hub Day. Oh, okay. That's Yom Revi. Mashiach will come there first. 18 Mashiach. Love it in the air there. Yeah? All right. So I guess you know where to go. Rabba-deba-deba-dam bam. תודה גם לכם. Ooh, wow. Okay. The music matched around the tog, I guess. This is Hum Day. Man greizt sich verpeisig, you know? Everybody in their own struggle. Everybody in their own Weg. Pini steht jetzt für der Hitch in 18, for sure. Man darf machen dort a Hitch area. You know? In the exits, in the entryways, around to the shield, dat werden besser. Review the new song from Ich bin es. Ich habe es jetzt, was es jetzt reviewed. Literally. In Sefri habe ich gesagt, lieb zu reviewen songs, but, bruh, strang came literally a few minutes late. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Shyness. In your nines. Bist mamish reingekommen, YG. A few minutes late. I'm sorry. How many minutes ago? I don't remember exactly, but kenne ich an zu lang zurück. Everybody did their taxes already? Wo sind those taxes, Penny? What is das? Penny, die Arbeit von dir oder die Arbeit von Agglomeraate? Wie soll ich mir das? Die bist, Penny, die bist self? Oder you work for some... Oh no, I guess the Arbeit von dir, Penny. All right. I got the answer, Penny. We should be in touch, Penny. We should be in touch. That's why I can. Nice. So opinions darf man reden. Nicht jetzt. Nicht jetzt. Finish kein rush. If you don't mind. It would be nice to catch up with some knowledge in wissen was Sachen. But we'll keep it off. We'll keep it not on the stream. Off it, yes. Exactly. But nicht jetzt, nicht jetzt. Nothing burns now. But in the next couple of months. Sie geht going for months, weeks, days, shows, call me now. I'm joking, Peter. Ihr Jokerim. Hold on. Some do a video to review on. Honestly, usually review ich nicht in the free, but anytime after Pesach. Okay, so we'll be definitely in touch. Definitely. Okay, koit a schnelle, quick review. Weil ich will das. Das ist für Neumann Schummas, Number 3. Zwicky Rand. Hat 2 Neginem vor dem, was ist, ich halte, als ist ein scheiner Singer. Ich habe nur von ihm. Es hat noch 19 Views. Oi, wei. Love and Live. Hello and welcome. Lass mal sehen. Singt auch at Ranani Tzadikim, day one. Which is nice. So I don't know why he doesn't have views. Nancy Fingers. Nancy Pelosi, huh? Okay. Okay, so the quality nicht so good. Okay, wir gehen mit Auto. And the quality is man issue, nicht Zaire. I just want to make that clear.
Shira malos ailechu nususi esainai hayoshvi bashumoyi Shira malos ailechu
Jamie.
nususi esainai
How you doing, Chaim? Chalib's on low voice. And I should make that keyboard guy spielt like from top to bottom, also. It's not negative, it's just a way he spielt.
Shira mahalo ailechu nususi esaina ayoshvi bashumohi Shira mahalo ailechu nususi esaina ayoshvi bashumohi
Ich kann sehen, dass der Mensch, was hat nicht geedit, ich habe das Video, und gesagt, mach mehr mit der Hand. Kiek doch sein Original, kiek doch sein Idol. Hat das ein Idol Feel. The sound nicken. The sound dating. Hum day indeed. Nice. How are you, Chaim? Ich fühle mit ihm gedacht, forcen zu werden als Singer. Like, gesingen herrlich, und ist sie schämelig. Okay, I like daraus zeggen kleine tidbits. En like daraus ze bislach. Zanranani is beautiful, by the way. I'm gave him a like. I like what he's doing. Svika, die has their video. Keep on doing. Keep on doing what you're doing. Okay? Keep on doing what you're doing. Sally. Lipa B. Hum day. Every day, all the way. Sally, you became a member. You saw what happened? Penny G was generous this morning. He's probably a part of a group that's trying to break out. He's doing a nice job. Zingt Zayer idol. Moordig idol. Penny G, Pinchas, was amazing. Gegangen los. Via goose. It worked. It's gearbeitet wie clockwork. Like it was like boom. Sally, geworden a member. Everybody was so excited. Yes, very kind of Penny. Penny is very good. Penny, Brooklyn, Sally, alles geht's, colorful shorts. I should not start naming names. Sam Libo, Love and Live. Penny G. I gotta stop with this. Now Viggy goes ice fishing. I'll do one first, viewers. I actually want to go make a. Ik wil actually gaan maken a fishing video. But I don't know nothing about fishing really. I mean, I get the idea. Water there, fish there, hook here. Get it. But more than that, I don't really know. So, but we'll do it one of these days. We'll go to Walmart. We'll buy some fishing tools. We'll wheel them back home. You know. That's all I needs. The idea of fishing, yes. But you don't eat fish from the lake. Foy. You buy it from the fish store. So there'll be chicken. You don't get the eggs from a chicken coop from your neighbor. Ugh. It's even brown sometimes, the egg. Go to the grocery, you buy a fresh egg from the frigidaire. Ich suffer from them as well, so it's not like I'm calling you guys out. I'm calling myself out. Try to catch a gefilte fish. Lache her, lache heen. Wat is de sam als ik tref a gefilte fish? Then we got the bicha hamon. I have a terrible dad joke. Let us be the judge of that, sir. Let us be the judge. It will definitely talk to you, the gefilte fish. Good, Avromi, good. Listen, the question is, what is the about fish rezidir? Let's be 100% real. Bist in dein Kitchen, hast da Fisch. Okay, lass mal sagen, a live fish, du das jetzt gehabt. So, obviously, nicht in dein Haus. But it's not so obvious. But lass mal sagen, du hast Fisch. Bist gegangen fishing. In the damn fish rezidir. How are you going to explain the story? Oh, I think I need to send it to Penny. Hold on, Sally. You're making me work. But it's okay. Command V. I just sent it to you. Red ich zurück. Hold on. He does. I just sent it to you. Bla bla bla. Ich bin nicht so gut mit E-Mails. Because man Weg von zurückreden ist nicht derselbe Weg, wie so ich type. So. Die red zurück, Sam? No, obviously red zurück. But how did you explain it? I'm like, what's up? He's like, what do you mean, what's up? You caught me. I got a hook in my mouth, Sam. The fish will beat the living schnitzelburger out of you. Actually, this is for everyone here. Go to the CM. It will pump you up. We already pumped. Miss Sally? I'm pumped already. That's it. Gefilte and free Gemara go hand in hand. I mean, don't put the Gemara in the fish in the same hand, Bride. Avrom is reselling it. I didn't yet, but I know that. You have a budget, huh? It's blown till 2027. Whoa, don't need to go far. Pinigi, go. I will sponsor you. Gee, Sally's coming in. Raining in the money. You're like, you go, I'll sponsor it. You better go to that CM if you want to get pumped. You want to have a pumped CM? You want to see him pumped? Wow, kijk on de straight shooter do. AEHL. What the hell? You hast a micro pullback. Ram, pam, pam, pam. You're going to the Muncie one, I'll sponsor you. No, I was just joking about the sponsorship, sadly. But thank you, I appreciate it. You can sponsor... No, that's not for the Swoonem things. Avrumi, get the story straight, I tell you. Yes, the whole point was to go. To get yours. Oh, they did a special delivery in Shabbos Kodesh. Good for you, Avrumi. No, mainly thank Sally for it. Sally is the man. I mean, you can't say Sally is the man, because then it's contradiction, but in the sense of being something. Sally, huh? I'm just thinking about it. When you want to tell someone like, oh man, you're the man. How do women feel? All right. Keep those opinions to yourself, Viggy, I guess. You're the queen? Mean queen machine? Nah, it's not. It doesn't have the same connotation. Like, oh, you can do it. You're the queen. Whoa. Yeah, imagine my father sitting on the bleachers. You can do it, my son. You're the queen. Ah. Ra-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa. Beep, 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 beep. Wednesday, April 9th. Oh, it's today? Spring Valley, New York. See full location. I didn't even open it. Restricted access. Okay, ben is je part in the club, I tell ya. He's making this. He's making a big movement in Yiddish, in the Yiddish community, I tell you. Also, great network opportunity. Like whenever someone says network situations, I never really. How do you network? How do you? There's something wrong with my networking cables. No, you should say it. I don't have that networking. You're just more of an introvert. I'm like with a turtle with the head in. Turtle, nevertheless, but stuck in my shell. People just get to know you. But it's just business-minded. I don't know. I didn't get that, wie zoekt man? Wenn man gegeben mir eine Zeichel, bin ich gestanden mit der Guppel. Maybe he's looking for a sponsorship. Maybe he's looking for a sponsorship. La 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 la. Rega, what's guys on the CM of the? Let's see it. Let's bring it up in the big screen. Bring it up on the big screen, sir. 8-minute DAF links. In Baltimore. It's always a day late in Baltimore. You know what's a good thing about Baltimore? Nothing. I'm joking. There's one good thing about Baltimore. Seeing it in the rear view mirror. It's a joke. I don't really care about Baltimore. Malach Gabriel is gegeben ziemlich stark a flick. Sam. Kim du aram mit seiner dirty tricks. Huh? Mesechtes Sanhedrin. Nice. What's next? Such a nice chevra there. I know some of them, if you go. Look at Akiva Ziegler. He's a real tzaddik. Can you imagine with Masbazan for Ziegler? Oh, you're Akiva Ziegler? Yeah. Yeah, there's a whole thing, I know. Who? Sally. Me? How do you know Sally? I don't know her, but you know what I mean. No, I don't know what you mean. Come on. Click on their websites. 76 plus people are going. Draait über der Welt, I'm not gonna lie. Hosted by Naftuli Kraus. But wie ist der RSVP? Wie ist es? Aber zum Geld. Du, ich sitze allein daheim and ending Sanhedrin myself. Makas. Oh, don't worry. That's our life story. Liepe Spitzer says hi. Hello, Liepe Spitzer. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Exactly, I don't use my real name. Ooh, Sally's got a real name. Her name is Chaim Weiss. Was heißt? That's right. You all thought it was Sally. Says ein junger Mann von Monroe, sitzt jetzt in St. Tahoe. For a low price of $75, you can heal your traumas. Sally. Good. Pesach prep is full in effect. Yes. Avrumi, may your readiness be ready for your whole life. Und nicht vergessen, Pesach ist nicht nur die Idee von Pesach. Die Idee von Pesach ist auch die Ziegreiten. Wieso man bringt daran Pesach? It's all about the takeoff and landing. Not always necessarily about the flight. Remember when the Delta flight is umgekommen upside down? Yeah. You get what I'm saying? It's nicht nur about that. P.S. The guy, Naftuli Kraus, is the owner of Blackbird Marketing. The guy that has a good Yiddish, a good English. the perfect English. Dan kijkt hij zo, ja, hoe is het? And I'm like, bro, ain't following your footsteps. Sadly, good one. You heard, there's a rumor that men use those sometimes. Only thing I remember that Marcus is the Marcus I got in Gaider for not knowing. Penny. This is the old cry. Smagetta Schrei. Oi wei. Was hat der Patch gemeint, huh? Was hat man aufgetan? Absolutely gut nicht. Wir gehen immer ein Kind, das nicht gekannt, mit dem ungerissenen Beine, das Warten nicht gekannt. Ist eingegangen, how about you just hit him again? Hit him again. Now what? Still doesn't know. Clever idea. What do you think we should do? Hit him again. Poof. What about now? Still doesn't know. It has been a couple of months. Geef hem nog eens eens. Let's see. Wait a minute. He doesn't know. Maar halt schon ein paar Uhr später. Einer kommt dran mit der kleinen Idee. How about we hit him again? And let's see if 5 years and 10 years from hitting a kid over and over again doesn't work. It might work. The last year is a Gaider. Gee. Call me. Hello and welcome. Not affiliated. Hello and welcome. We need a Nachi Uncensored Peggy Greenfeld podcast review. Dachuf. Not affiliated. I might do it over Pesach, but nicht off alive. Because I want to do it. We'll kind of go in a mikvah for them and all them. I never thought I'll say those words, but I just did. Avrami Lichtman, these are the friends you haven't met yet. Sometimes, sadly, it's better not to meet them. Some of them are not alive. So, that doesn't mean anything. This excuse you're talking about is what Viggy and Heshe were talking about in the last moose. But nah, my excuse is work. And not party. This will be true Pesach. Nice. Call me, hello and welcome. New podcast. Love and Live, Woes Mind Those, new podcast. It's just bad timing. Listen. Gute Sachen kommen in the bad times as well. Aber du gute listen. Gute Sachen können kommen in bad times. Just imagine. Friends, brothers, friends about partying. I like hitting anything that doesn't work. Maybe it will start working. Ja, this is again the 101 fixing tool from the TVs back in the day. We gehen mal setzen Tab von der TV und sie gehen in zur Arbeit. So wie Mr. Bean mit der Mr. B. Vielleicht dann mit der Antenne im Back von der TV. Yeah. Not affiliated. Yeah, no need for a live. We need time to watch it on our own time. Yes. Ich will auch sagen, sie darf sein in a certain mood. Ich bin ganz moody. Like, als ich nicht kein Geduld fahre, I just want to get it over with. And I don't want to go into that. I just want to watch it. Klitzen die Ohren. Pitzen die News. Und machen sicher. Sitzen auf der richtige Gruß. You know what I mean? Machen sicher, dann alles ist fein. Can't forget the shaming me worse than Marcus. By the way, Penny, verschämen a Mensch amol ist stärker wie Hand. And just imagine wie bad Hand is. Mol is ärger. You can kill someone with your mouth. Toit is a one-time thing. Mol is a lifetime, was jener guy darf trogen. And Penny, as wie Sally sagt, we are sorry that it happened to you. Yes. And by the way, Sally, it happened to all of us. When I say all, I mean this side of the aisle, this side of the aisle. Weird, it's 35 years ago, yes. In Ochet, 35 years ago, Penny, not major has changed. Like I said yesterday, forcible change, I don't consider as change. Even though it's change, you were hit. Oh, Sally, you wouldn't even believe what hitting means. Hitting. It was my lunch, supper, and dinner. Hitting, what do you mean? It was a normal thing. Where do you think we lived? in America, land of the free. Oh, no, Sally, you don't have to be sorry. That's going to be two of us then. But oh my God, that makes me feel sad. Now, it's two of us. There's no point in that everybody in the room should be sad. Come on, we got to move forward. I'm just saying, like, Penny is talking about it. He's the one talking about it, so. Ba, ba, ba. I sag mal, when der Rebbe fliegt stein behind me, we used to wait, like, okay, when is the patch coming? When is the patch coming? Now, no. No. Maybe yes, maybe no. No. Yes, okay. Boom. There it goes. Dizzy. Woo. Der ganze Raum hat sich umdrehen. Wo steht der Wort? No idea. Poof. What about now? Well, sir, als mich nicht gegeben der Wort, so how would I know? Poof. Noch eins. You know what I mean? You ever watch Big Lebowski? So, I'm the dude. I'm the man. I'm the dude. I like them around the cup and toilet. Where's my money, Lebowski? That if you push me down harder, I might find it. You are the dude. I am the dude. There's Big Lebowski and there's the dude. He's pissing on my rug. That's the funniest. Why are you pissing on my rug? Is that a marmot? I'm not following that one. The best of lieb. Tell him I don't fucking bowl. I'm a Shomer fucking Shabbos. I don't bowl. Yes. I go click. No, I unload this magazine until it goes click. What's his name? The big dude. The tall dude. No. I don't remember that. I gotta watch it again. Iber Paisach will watch it again. It's a funny movie. I just like it because I like to run on cup in toilet. Where's the money? He puts back his head in the toilet. And then he's like, oh, maybe put me back. I might find it a little deeper. Come on. That's some good humor right there. It's down there somewhere. Yeah. Then he goes to the Big Lebowski. I'm the dude. Where's my money, man? Only Kahanim could deliver that, yeah. I don't know. I'm just saying yeah, because I read your message. I don't know if I agree or disagree. Mit Chappen dort a, brenn mit a brie. Ba 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 ba. Oh wow, time is flying. Vamos in. Penny, the question is, Penny darf MYD darf Takadan support? Is that really what he needs? I'm not trying to can't stay with the bills. I just want to understand because he's a rich dude by himself. So, you know what I mean? I was one Shabbos at a Chevra Stillam and the guy leading picked me up and acted as if he'll throw me out of the window because I said the holy name Aaron Teitelbaum. He'll show you. He's supposed to Torah. He doesn't go to Vigaitas. But okay, Sally, here, it might be a little Vigaitas. I think you should rather give it to someone that needs food. I'm not telling him what to do. He's the accountant. Penny, weiß normale Menschen können sagen, oh, I'll talk to my accountant. Penny turns around and be like, don't talk to me. I'm not the accountant here. do that too. Great. Ich denke, ich habe gesetzt mit einem, mit Sharos geben kann nehmen oder kann, whatever. And bekommen a phone call, whatever, einer hat ihm gefragt für Geld. Und sei stark Rachmunas gehabt. So hat er mir gefragt, Viggy, was soll ich tun? Aber ich so, kennst du jemanden, der Rachmunas? Du kennst den? Ich so, not really. So, gib es für einen, wem du kennst, ja. So, du willst geben für einen, gib es für einen, wem du kennst. Ich will nicht herangehen, sie wusste es mehr, weniger. Ich habe mehr lieb Humans, was darf man essen und darf man zu und Rent. Versus the next step, if you get what I'm saying. But bin ich, nicht so wie ich habe besucht, dass ich will dir stoppen. Just saying, that's just my thought process on that. Torah brings bracha to the entire world. It depends on how you look at it. But yeah, I also like to eat food. So here, it's not about like food. It's not about liking. Ich verstehe, ich habe andere thoughts and beliefs, which I'm not trying to oppose on anyone. It's a joke. I know. We're just discussing it. We're discussing your joke, Sally. Sally, we're taking apart your joke, okay? How funny it is, what's the right wording, did you wait until the audience stopped? I'm joking. See? Now this is a joke, Sally. With a little of oomph. I'm joking. I'm just saying, I don't want to share my thoughts on it. Like as in, I don't want to make other people believe what I believe or anything. But one fact I do know is everybody in this world needs to have food and needs to have shelter. For sure. Like, it's not even a question. It's not like, oh, he could live without a shelter or he could live without food. No, everybody needs that. So I think that's like priority one in my book, my opinion, in my humble opinion. So I look out more of, do you know someone that needs rent? Do you know somebody that needs water? Do you know someone that needs food? That has to be. And then the rest could fall. And it's again, this is not this suchen für Penny Vusetin oder für Sally oder for anybody. I'm just sharing my opinion. In this Indian. But Penny, please. You know what I'm saying? You're the accountant. Whoa. Not affiliated. Von wie kommst du? Wie bist du nicht affiliated? Da. So I can sponsor you to go to the Mount Museum. Ah, now that's a joke. Reverse joke. I don't have an issue with the Siyam. It's not about me going to the Siyam. It's the overall idea that you want to do something good. Es ist nicht so wichtig, dass ein Schiel hat a marble Wand if the guy doesn't have shelter. There's a huge uptick in the heimische community about helping private people today's day. Die willst dich hören, not affiliated. Willst du hören meine Opinion darauf? Sometimes, also wie ich habe gesagt, okay, I'm gonna say my opinion. Alright, there you go. Viggy Meffent of the floodgates. Also wie ich habe Nächten gesagt und ich habe früh gesagt, that change that is forced upon people, that you don't have an issue, I just wish you would go. I think it would be good for you. Not that I'm telling you what to do. No, I get it, I get it. So, let me go back to the point was ich gewollt sagen. When change is forced, I don't consider it as change. You were forced to. Somebody holds a gun to your head and says, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. It's not change. Yes, it's change in some form, but it's not really change. The reason for which Menschen geben so viel Tzedukah is because wie viel Jahr meinst der gein Menschen, die begein Pesach, if they don't have food, they're gonna keep Pesach. It's gonna come a time they're not gonna buy matzah. They're just gonna give up. So these people know it. So they don't have a choice. So they have to help out a little so people don't fall away. So I don't consider that helping, although it's a helping and says git and says all that. But I'm just saying in general, how long do you think you could abuse people not having things and then all of a sudden expect them to have things and do things? So, Viggy, I grew up in Borough Park and I'm not affiliated with any specific sect. Good for you. You're not affiliated, as your name says. The problem is giving the person in the grocery account are not public knowledge. Du darf man nicht in der 50 genoeg, Penny. Du darf man nicht in der 50 genoeg. Wieso get man? When get man? How do you give? You're still alive, Viggy. Yes. I'm not rushing anywhere. I mean, I want to go off, but we're just talking. I'm not talking about helping with rent and food. Table through the year. It's not glamorous. Ja, wegen dem Tieren ist nicht Menschen. That's why people don't do it. That's why people don't do it. Ra pa da da pa da pa pa da pa pa da. L'chaim Yidden, mit Titten Kvieren, mit Geit machen Grieder, mit Aros helfen mit Gura Brieder. Oh yeah, I've been on the receiving end, and it ain't fun. That's for sure. Yeah, but you needed it. You needed it. If somebody pushed in a few $100s under your door, you would love it, Sally. You would have loved it. Sally, I expect you... Oh, Yankee T, you ain't expecting anything. What's it those? Sally owes you nothing. But I would also go without a means. If it meant that I couldn't be safer. Just saying. But I would also go without a meal if it meant I could buy a cipher. Sally, but that's you. How long can you go like that? You know what I mean? And especially you want to learn. Most people I know, they don't know how to learn. It goes back to that. They didn't teach them how to learn. You know what I mean? So, extra celebration of your upcoming birthday. Who is a wine drinker here? Ich bin nicht kein wine drinker, but ich kann hoben mal feinem Stickel Wein. You know. Ich bin raus von dem Trade. Zieh schnell. Zieh schnell. Why? I don't know. Because ich kann nicht kein Sitzfleisch. Ich frage, wo es heißt. Mit den ganzen Beiß. Can't stand wine? You don't need to stand on wine, Penny. Joking. Living La Vida Loca. Honey, yes, we got the Nougat motor for free. And the husband's like, ah, man. Now we can buy wine. I'm joking. There is no crime. We'll have some time. We'll be subliminal. My house, they have Magilla or Tokai. Oh, Penny, that's why you can't stand it. Je gaat liever welke wijn heb ik lief? Ze doet de organic wijn. It costs like $20, $25 a bottle, which is great. I will get a free moeder. In Weißpenny, jeder eine Variant kan Eibig knitzen. Put extra $. Always, 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 always. I'm not talking about the people that go away. I'm talking about the people that stay home. But Penny, ich suche dir nicht, was What? Sadly, if you commit to learn the whole Makas, I will get 250. I can't even say it out. You'll get $250. What if I learn it in one day? Like I gobble it up on a live. Will I get it? Sadly, you should be able to afford anything your heart desires. Blessings all around. Brooklyn, you as well. I gave the frown a turn around. You gotta check in every day? But what do you mean? Why do I need to check in every day? If I learn the whole Gemara at once, is that not good enough? Does that have a 24-hour period situation? Okay. Sally, I'm backing away. For Sadiram, I forced myself to drink wine. Kannst drinken gehirige grape juice. Don't be abused. Viggy, you should try it, and we'll talk about it on the live. Wo is the wine? You talking about the wine? Sally. That would be... I should try the daf. Die meisten sagen, als ich soll lernen, the daf, und noch den discussen, wo der daf sucht. Oh, you're making a good argument. Escher kann machen als kleine Pizzi live, nur für Jens. Okay. Von wo sound das geht? Like, ich weiß, mein Kopf sucht man like, what are you doing, Viggy? But it sounds good. Oh wait, for my celebration, the celebration would be nicer if Viggy is live there, my birthday, although it's not going to be available, but we'll make it work, but that's work. Viggy's live. Yankee T, when is on birthday? The 20th, no? I was gesucht to the 20th, no? Viggy, it's not about the daf. It's about the Yomi. I see what you're saying. Touché. Not affiliated has pushed me into a corner. You can decide. Hold the boys, you gotta make up. Who got makas? Could you imagine the first live of me learning makas is just me giving makas to someone? Be like, this is makas for you. See him sechte. Now go party. I'm thinking about it. Consider it not a daf. Consider the education. Okay, wie lang nimmt sie lernen a daf? And meaning how should the live... I'm just spitballing here. We're just talking out loud. Yeah? Yeah? Chevra? Meaning to say we're not jumping the gun. But how is the live? Are we listening to his live and we're learning the Gemara together? Or I listen to the how long is the daf? It's an hour, no? 2 lines a day? I first have to figure out, Sally, we have to figure out how we're doing this. Yes, but Sally is rolling about the Hebrew birthday. Pick out one chuset. 2 lines a day, pick out one chuset. Viggy, you can do like a short video about the reaction of the daf, but maybe it's... This could be dangerous for all of us. We can learn together on the stream, maybe just 1 daf per week. We'll never finish, Sally. Question is if it could be dangerous. You don't need to finish, just start. Oh, you guys are saying such good words. Als je kent ich will unheimlich der live a bisschen früher. And the days that I'm live, I'll just mit reden eine Sache von jener Tag. Wow, wer du gehirig? Sally, we talked about fishing. Ich fühle also wie man schleppt mich zurück zur Jiddischkeit. Ich bin like, you ain't going anywhere, sir. Wheel 'em back to the house. Haha, you thought you're going somewhere, Viggy? No, right back in. If it's not for you, no, I don't care. The daf is not chilik. Like welche daf? I'm gonna have to figure out the mechanism of it, how it's gonna work. But Marcus is a symbolic. Oh, I'll show you all the symbolics. But also, I'm gonna have to hold back some of my opinions if I do that. That's where I'm worried. There's gonna be certain things that I'm gonna have to put into the closet. As they said, I'm gonna have to go into my Rockport Kova hit Bekecha shoes. No, you can't. Sally. Not all opinions cannot just roll off the tongue like that. You know, when I setz mich herup mit Matas, I become the mirror from Matas. I don't challenge him. When I have a shmis with someone, I don't challenge them. It's more of a back and forth as a mirror. So yeah, because I have other opinions and other ideologies and thoughts, but it's about him coming under, his opinions, his shares, his mindset. So I go in as much as possible with him. So if I do that with a daf, I'm gonna have to actually might live the da. That would be nice. That would be crazy, huh? Marcus is kind of nasty, maybe more towards financial matters. No, it's not. Listen, the Gemara is the Gemara. I don't know. It's in my mind. The wheels are turning, Chevra. The wheels are turning. Yeah, Sally is unbelievable. She'll be like the best seller. Think about it, but Bli need to come with the reviews. What do you decide to do? Besides if I want to do it or not, I have to see which type of attitude. Meaning to say how this is gonna happen. Am I gonna listen to his whole sheet live? Am I just going to do it on my own time and then just give a few minutes? I don't know. We'll see. Para 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 pa pa. As you go, no pressure. All right, no pressure it is. Pa ra pa 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 ra pa. When it comes to months in July, we'll have to start. Nice, okay, Sally. We can definitely work towards that. Rampa. Para 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 pa pa. Alrighty, Chevra. Sie kommen der Zeit, wie man darf sich segnen. Ich will geben Schkoich für jeden, was du gewinnt. Für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers. Für alle Menschen, die umgezogen auf eine andere Tab. Vielleicht gemacht mir eine andere Tab. I really do appreciate you all. Schkoich Pinny. Für dein generous giving. En ook het voor JB. Schkoich JB voor generously giving. Hope you have an awesome trip. I hope you all have a great and awesome day. Schkoich voor Duzan. Schkoich voor machen dan ze free met Viggy. Als ik ze nog doen en kan geven maar like the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff as they say. Housekeeping. Until Wednesday, so no live tonight. We'll see you all mañana. 8:45. Nana's eigen in the free. Alrighty. Peace and love, everybody. Shkoy fun duzan. Hold on, gotta find that button. Hold on. Until next time, be kind to one another. Peace.